Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ready to make your friends think you spent a fortune on your gadgets? Today I'm showing you 5 luxury-looking tech gadgets all under 50 quid. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got the Blitzwolf smartwatch. This sleek beauty looks like it stepped right out of a high-end boutique. With a full-color display, heart rate monitor, and even sleep tracking, it's a steal at just £40. Looks expensive? You bet. Next, check out these Anker Soundcore Bluetooth earbuds. Premium sound, noise isolation, and a charging case that just screams luxury. All for £35. You won't believe the price when you see them in action. Under £50 and must-have. Moving on, we have the Aukey USB-C hub. With its aluminium finish, it's perfect for those looking to expand their laptop's connectivity and style. HDMI, USB 3.0, South Dakota card slots, all for just £20. Looks expensive, right? Fourth on the list, the Tautronics LED desk lamp. This isn't your average desk lamp. Sleek design, touch controls, and multiple brightness levels. Plus, it has a built-in USB charger. At £25, it's a smart buy that looks far pricier than it is. And finally, the Vixing wireless mouse. Ergonomic, stylish, and a dream to use. The matte finish and silent clicks make it feel premium. All for just £15. Must have for any tech setup. So, there you have it. 5 amazing gadgets that look like they cost a bomb, but are all under £50. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more affordable tech finds. Catch you in the next one.